So hi guys, this is Gavin from Enfield Rider. Hope you guys are having an amazing life out there. So today's video is all about an issue that I encountered 2 days back with my Bullet. I'll be sharing what was the actual issue and what are the measures that I took to recover from that issue. So hope you guys like the video. So 2 days back I was heading to college. Just past 2 kilometers from home, the vehicle started to show a small missing problem. First of all, I thought the petrol was low on the tank and I kept the needle into reserve. But after around 100 meters, the vehicle suddenly halted. This was actually a shocking moment for me because after owning the vehicle, this was the first time I encountered such a problem. So straight away I called my cousin who's working in the Royal Enfield. So he suggested me 3 points to take care of and to see if, to check on 3 points and see if the vehicle starts after that. So I'll be sharing with you guys that 3 points that he suggested me. Once I suggested all my issues regarding to the motorcycle to him, he told me that this is an electrical failure. Electrical failure in the sense that battery is considered to be an important part of this motorcycle. It gives current to every part of the motorcycle, including the engine. If at all there is a high voltage of current passing by, which could damage the battery, there are mainly 2 fuses, one set here and one in the headlight. They get fused up and protects the battery from getting an issue. So first do check whether the fuses are gone. The first fuse is present here and the second inside the headlight. So let's check it out. The first fuse that protects the battery from getting damaged is actually placed inside the first aid box. So opening the first aid box, we can see that there's the toolkit and there's the first aid kit, and here this is actually the fuse or the fuse box. Opening the fuse box, we can see that there are mainly 4 pins, and these 4 pins actually do not work together, or rather these are the only 2 pins that are actually working. These are extra pins that are used if at all there's a situation where these pins need to be changed. So first do check out if these 2 pins are burnt. If these are burnt out, replace them with these 2 and check if the vehicle starts. If this was actually the issue, changing the pins will actually solve the problem. So please make sure to place the right pin in the right position. Interchanging them may cause a severe issue. So please do keep that in mind. If the first step didn't actually resolve the problem, the issue might be the fuse inside the headlight might have burnt out. So for opening the headlight, you guys need the toolkit. So let's go and open the headlight. Once you guys have opened the headlight, at the left end of the headlight there is a fuse which is covered up. Open it. Oh god, now how can I open this alone? Once you guys have opened the fuse, you can see that this is the actual fuse that's in working condition. If at all this fuse is burnt out, there is an extra fuse which is present here. Replace it with that and see if the vehicle starts. Then this could be the issue. So just replace the extra fuse which is there with the burnt out fuse and the vehicle will start. So if the first and second tip couldn't resolve your problem, I would highly suggest you guys to look for the third tip, that is to check for the battery terminals. As you guys know, there are basically 2 terminals, that's the red and the black. Please do check out if these terminals are loose. We all know that Bullet, it gives out extreme amounts of vibration which could result in the nut getting loose. So if the nut gets loose, this could result in inadequate flow of current through the battery, which could result in such a problem. So please do check out the terminals and make sure they are tight. So personally, the problem related with my bike was actually with the terminals. I was so damn shocked when I opened the terminals that I saw that one of the terminals was contaminated with a type of foreign material which is somewhat equal to rust on the terminals, which was eliminating the flow of current for the battery. So what was the actual reason behind such a particle getting contaminated on the terminal? I was just so damn frustrated because it's just been 6 months since I owned the vehicle, and for such a thing to happen, it was so damn frustrating. So what could actually be the reasons behind such an issue to occur? As for me, there are 2 points that could lead to such an issue. The first point is that excessive use of high pressure water cleaning. Excessive usage of high pressure water cleaning can lead to water getting into internal parts of the electrical system, like the battery terminal, the electrical motor and such. So I would highly request you guys not to frequently use a high pressure water cleaner. If you guys are so into cleaning your vehicle and keeping it clean, I would highly suggest you guys to do it once every month, not do it frequently. So the second point that I want to share with you guys that could lead to such an issue is the excessive usage of the electrical starter motor. Excessive using of the electrical starter motor could lead to the reduction of the battery life of your bike. So I would highly suggest you guys, rather than constantly using your electrical starter motor, once in a while use the Kickstarter. And I would highly suggest you guys, every morning, do not cold start your vehicle using the electrical starter motor. Please, I would highly request you. It is so much more better to kickstart the vehicle every morning. So these are the points that I want to share with you guys. Hope you guys like the video. If you do so, please, I would request you to subscribe and stay tuned for much more content. Peace out, guys.